Okay, so this is my second video. We're gonna do another one on grade level. Let's do division since we did multiplication last time. Okay, let's see. One for you, one for you. Take this one here, see if that works. Ah, we're making a bridge for the little guy. Oh gosh, okay. Everybody gets one. And then go through again, give everybody another one. I probably could have like counted them and done it that way. And like divided it by 5 frogs. But too late at this point. It's fine. It is A-okay. And play. Yay. Oh gosh, okay, what is this here? Ooh, okay. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes by 3 frogs. Each one gets 3. Oh, so much faster than clicking by myself. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. By 4 frogs, everyone gets 5. Yay! 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. By 5 frogs, everyone gets 3. 12 by 2, 6. Yeah. 30 by 5, 6. Yay. Let's go ahead. Splits it up and does it visually of that many volts. 9 divided by 3, 3. 3 turtles, 9 blocks total. Each one gets 3. 2 frogs share 10 boxes. Each frog gets 5 boxes. 2 frogs, 10 boxes. Oh, no, I didn't do it, dang it. Ah! It's not gonna work. No, I messed up. Okay. 7 turtles share 21 boxes. They each get 3. Yay! I made it. It was fun. I liked how it showed, like, visually represented all the boxes and stuff. So yeah. I apologize for all the background noises. I'm in the lab helping my friend with the lab stuff, so I hope you enjoyed.